my god, my hair is like lopsided. Twaid out, braid out. Braid out. They gon' love me for my ambition. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ambition Right. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why a Twaid out is better than a twist out and a braid out. Alright, so my hair is lopsided right now because I have a Twaid out on this side and then I have a braid out in the front, twist out in the back. I did a demo, don't you worry. So I'm going to be giving you my 5 reasons why throughout this video, so let's get started. So the first reason why I feel like a Twaid, oh wait, hold on, go back. Do you know what a Twaid out is? First of all, it's a combination of a braid and a twist. So you start off with a braid. Hopefully you know how to braid because it only makes sense. You start off with a braid and then you braid for like about an inch or 2 at your root, and then you finish off with a twist. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why it's better than a regular braid out where you braid all the way through, or a regular twist out where you twist all the way through. Okay. Like I had said, we're going to be doing an experiment. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Ambition Right, and I love to do experiments on my channel. No, sir, I really like to do comparisons of products and comparisons of techniques because I like to figure out, does my hair like this or my hair like that, or neither, or both. You feel me? I want to do the Twaid out on this side, and then I'm gonna do half braid out in the front, twist out in the back. So twist outs are faster because you could twist super quickly. So my first reason why is that my roots are less puffy. So when I do a regular twist out, I feel like my roots are super puffy because you can't really get up in there. Like, you know, you're twisting, you're trying to twist super tight, but it's not that tight. At least for me, I don't know. But my roots aren't as controlled. But when I do a Twaid out, I can braid it as tightly as I can at the root. Kind of like box braids. You could tightly braid at the root. I don't know, it just does it for me, alright? See, this side looks better, this side looks flat. So the second reason is I have more volume for a Twaid out because there's 2 different curl patterns. So you're starting off with a braid and then the twist, so it's not one dimensional. When you have a twist out or a braid out, it's just one dimensional. It's one curl pattern all the way down. So you don't have that different volume. But when you have a Twaid out, I keep pointing to this side because this side, you have more volume because it's 2 different curl patterns. How far you go is up to you. But I like to do, let's see, like up to there. So like, what is that, an inch, 2 inches? I don't even know. Look, why am I even trying to measure things? I don't even know that stuff. I don't know. Either way, I do about that much. And then I apply more product to my hair. Make sure it's detangled. And then you make it into 2. And then proceed to twist. The time it takes to do a Twaid out is literally in the middle of a braid out and a twist out. Literally. So, you know, it takes a little bit of a second to start the braid, and then you could just continue twisting. You start off with the braid. I think people will call the way that I braid it an under braid? No, over braid. That's how I braid. I think I'll go one more. You could either split it in half or you could join the 2 together. So I usually like to just join them together just because I feel like it eliminates frizz that way. Braid up until here and then the twist out. Oh my god, this is the most important one. My third reason is the Twaid out is easier to take down than a braid out. A braid out takes 5 to 10 business days with no tracking number. Like, it is horrible. I hate taking down and installing braids. So for braid outs, but for a Twaid out, it's a combination of the both. So you're braiding for a couple seconds, not too bad, and then you're unraveling it a couple seconds, not too bad. So another reason why I don't like braid outs is because I have layers in my hair. So if the hair is in 3 sections, there's gonna be one that's gonna be shorter than the other sections. Can y'all see that? This one is shorter than the other section. So now I'm kind of forced to do a twist out on my ends because I have layers in my hair. So what's the point? Okay, so another reason why I like a Twaid out over the braid out and the twist out is that it's easier to separate. So because it's a braid at the top, that's 3 pieces, and then you transition to 2 pieces, when you unraveling them, you are unraveling 2, and then it separates into 3. Does that make sense? So you have to separate less. It's kind of separating for you, and then you instantly get that volume. Like, it's so much. Am I enjoying Microsoft Word? Not now. Like, don't be asking me questions while I'm filming. You separate quicker and easier, and again, back to the volume thing, you get more volume. So I definitely enjoy having to separate less when it comes to the 3 sections and the 2 sections, if that makes sense. So I decided to actually go underneath the dryer for like 20 to 25 minutes last night beforehand to kind of dry my hair. I never do that. I usually let my hair completely air dry, like 100% air dry. So my hair feels a little dry to me, but people be saying like you have the most definition. I'm just putting some oils on my hands. You have the best definition that way. Okay, so we'll see. Alright, so this is what the twists are looking like. Again, I dried my hair in a different way, so I don't know if I'm really liking that, but this is the twist. Okay, all of the braids are out, and it's not giving me the definition that I like or desire. But so like I said, disclaimer, I don't know why I did this for this video. Going underneath the dryer does not work for me. Okay, a braid out for me is my stretching method. It's not my definition method. The front of my hair doesn't look bad though. And the last reason is that I have more elongated hair. So my twist out are usually, I get a fairly decent amount of hang time, but with a Twaid out I definitely get more hang time. It dries better. This is not a good example, but it's okay, and it's alright. But yeah, so with a Twaid out you get more hang time because you're starting off with a braid, which stretches your hair, and then you have the twist out, which is a definition. I do like twist outs as well, but like I said, I've been liking Twaid outs a little bit better just because it gives me more volume, more shape, more dimension, more hang time, and I just been liking it, okay? I hopefully will show you guys a better, less frizzy look from this because, okay? Follow me on Instagram. That's probably when I'll have the best Twaid out. If this video was helpful, hit that like button because that's the only way I'm going to know, okay? I can't read your mind, so hit that like button and subscribe if you're liking my content and want to see other things from me. Hit that bell to be notified, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.